Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of security with what we believe to be the best e-scooter lock available, the NDakter bike chain lock. Now, when it comes to protecting your valuable electric scooter, a reliable lock is absolutely essential.
And that's where the NDakter bike chain lock shines.
With its heavy-duty construction and advanced security features, this lock provides peace of mind like no other.
Let's break down why this lock stands out from the rest. First off, it features a 5-digit resettable combination, offering over 100,000 possible codes, making it virtually impossible for thieves to crack.
Setting your personalized code is a breeze, and with no keys to worry about, you'll never find yourself locked out.
Plus, the combination mechanism is smooth and reliable, ensuring quick and easy access whenever you need it.
But what really sets this lock apart is its construction.
The lock cylinder is made of tough zinc alloy,
while the chain itself is crafted from 0.24-inch alloy steel, both highly resistant to cutting and drilling. And to top it off, the chain is wrapped in a scratch-proof polypropylene fabric, protecting both your scooter and the lock from damage. It's clear that NDakter has spared no expense in ensuring maximum durability and security. But the benefits don't stop there. With a length of 3.2 feet, this chain lock offers ample flexibility for securing not just your scooter, but also bikes, motorcycles, gates, and more.
Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a day out, the
NDakter bike chain lock provides versatile protection wherever you go. Don't just take our word for it. Customers across the globe are raving about the NDakter bike chain lock. From its sturdy construction to its ease of use, it's clear that this lock delivers on its promises. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate e-scooter lock, look no further than the NDakter bike chain lock. With its unbeatable combination of security, durability, and convenience, it's a must-have accessory for any scooter enthusiast. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts.
Until next time, ride safe and secure with NDakter.